Happy Monday, everybody. It is Monday, right? Tuesday for y'all. Whenever we're on any kind of break from school, I can never remember what day it is. Me and Sissy are about to go into Tractor Supply to get some shavings for the chicken coop. Then we're gonna go to Dollar General to get some more paint so we can make our ornaments tonight. Because I got some from there. Was it this Dollar General or a different one? I hope this one has the same paints.
No.
Surely they will. Yeah, it was a different one, but I think this one will have them. Anyway, we used a lot of our paints for the little Christmas trees that the kids made. So I just want to get some more to make sure we have enough for our ornaments tonight. Yeah, we're gonna go in here to Tractor Supply first, and we might try to see if we can find a few gifts for the boys while we're in there. Sometimes they have some really good deals at Christmas time. Thought I had some big red in here. These little lantern lights always come in handy. They're only $5. Oh look, they have chicken lights, you see? They have some fireplaces. That is a good price, $149 for that one. And then the black ones, like the ones we have in the bedrooms, are $89.99. Walkie-talkies for $12.99. They have this shut the box game. Is that fun? Have y'all ever played it? I don't know. These are good stocking stuffers, but you can find them cheaper than that sometimes. Groovy, squishy fruits. World's smallest Viewmaster. Look at that. Do y'all remember those? We used to love those things when we were little. Green walkie-talkies. Somebody put a cow in that shoe. It's little tool sets for $14.99. They always have really pretty Christmas cards. These are 25% off. They have a light bright. I got all the kids one of these, I think 2 Christmases ago, wasn't it? That's a Viewmaster. Oh, they have a real size one. How much are they? Oh my goodness. We loved those when we were little. Christmas gift wrap is 50% off. Let's see what we got here. This plaid. I already have the brown paper that I was wanting to get. Let's see if we want any of this. This is a really old-fashioned looking one. I like that. Have a holly jolly Christmas. That's a little pig. That's cute. Little candy cane container. Oh my, she found a giant pig. Please watch your step. That's a cute stool. How much are you? I'm gonna guess $29. $39.99. Candles are 25% off. Okay, y'all, every single time, almost, that I come into Tractor Supply, so if you're a Tractor Supply rewards member, you get points, right? And when you get so many points, you get $10 off. You get a $10 reward, and they send you different things through email, like different deals and stuff. But anyway, when you get so many points, you get $10 off. Titus comes in here way more than me. I mean, he has to come to Tractor Supply a lot, but it's almost every time that I come in, it's time for the $10 reward. One time we got 3 of them, didn't we, Cece? We had $30, and I think we only had to pay like $2 for our whole buggy order. All the stuff we had, we only had to pay like $2. Anyway, today was another one of those days. We got a $10 reward in there. All right, now we're going into Ingles because tonight we're gonna be making our ornaments from last year's Christmas tree, and the kids, especially Tyler, have been asking me to make some the little chocolate hand pies that we make. So we're gonna make some of those, and we're gonna make some snowballs. It's gonna be fun, and for supper, we're just gonna do a sub buffet, one of my favorites. I ran off and forgot my list, so I had to make one in the van real quick. This is the cookie recipe that they gave us at the Victorian Christmas the other night. I just wrote down a new list on the back real quick. Probably forgetting something though. Christmas donuts, those are cute. They have a Grinch cookie. We need turkey and ham for the subs. This is on sale, the Oscar Mayer. So I think we'll go with that. We have blackened turkey sub right here. Okay, which chips are on sale? Lay's are 2 for $8. Well, 2 for $7.98, but you know.
It's coming with different ones.
Yeah. Sissy said they want to go with this dip, the French onion dip. This is $4.98. A gigantic one is only $5.98. Get that big one. And we'll see if the Laura Lynn chips are cheaper over here. Oh yeah, we'll go with the rippled Laura Lynn. And we'll get some barbecue. Okay, y'all, we're back home. We're gonna go ahead and make the snowballs first. I'm making these from this wonderful cookbook a friend gave me, I think 2 years ago, maybe 3. I love it. It has old stories and things in here, different crafting things. I just love it. So we're gonna make these snowballs. We'll get these made in the oven. Then I think I'll go ahead and make the chocolate ham pies. For the snowballs, we need 3/4 of a cup of softened butter. We have that here. And 1/2 cup of sugar. We're gonna cream that together first. If you happen to be using a saw, I need you to go ahead and cut our ornaments for the tree. I think the piece of the tree is still out there right as you go out the door on the left.
Chainsaw or a hand saw.
Oh, okay.
Right now I'm sawing this skill saw.
Different. There are many saws in the world that I don't know about. Are you excited for tonight, Minnie? We're gonna make our ornaments. We're gonna eat some yummy Christmas treats. There's our butter. Now we need 1/2 cup of sugar. Okay, we'll cream that together. We will plug up our KitchenAid. Now, my mama used to make things that she called snowballs, but it wasn't this recipe. Her snowballs, if I remember right, were like peanut butter balls, but instead of coating them in chocolate, she coated them in coconut flakes and some with powdered sugar too, I think. Like some with powdered sugar, some with coconut flakes. I think that's what she called snowballs. These do get powdered sugar, but there's no peanut butter in these. 1 egg and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Where'd you get them mussels?
God,
Samson, young Samson over here.
my muscles make me go jumping high
Do they?
on trees. Yeah.
Whoa. We'll mix those in. Next, we're gonna add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I was also gonna make our candy cane crunch today, but I don't think I'll have time for all that, so we'll have another day where we do that. I think last year we made the candy cane crunch and candied pecans to give out as gifts instead of the Christmas breads. That candy cane crunch is dangerous because once you start eating that, you cannot stop. There's the flour. And we have the oven preheating to 350 for these. I can't remember if I told y'all that. Now we're gonna add in some chopped pecans and a cup of chocolate chips. I'm gonna use the little mini chocolate chips. We're just gonna stir those in, and then we'll be ready to start forming the snowballs. The what now? Level? Now, did this say to chill the dough for a little while or no? No, we don't have to chill the dough. Okay. I'm just gonna use my cookie scoop. We'll put these onto some baking sheets, and they're gonna go in the oven at 350 for 15 to 20 minutes. We roll them in the powdered sugar after they're cooked. Okay, for the cocoa mixture that we put in the chocolate ham pies, we need a cup of sugar and 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Sometimes I go with a 1/4 cup, but I think it's a little more chocolatey if we go with 1/2 cup. And I have some right here. I bought some at Ingles, but I had some in the cabinet. I couldn't remember for sure when we were in there. That's a little bit of flour down right here. These things used to be easier to pop when we were kids. I mean, when we were kids, you just had to peel it and it would pop. I mean, they were peel and pop, you know? Daddy remembers, don't you, Daddy?
Yeah.
They were. I mean, you would just wait for the pop when you were peeling it. Now, they're peel and bang is what they are. You have to peel it and then bang it on your counter. Or you can do the spoon press. Okay, now we need some butter. We put some of the cocoa mixture in there and a little bit of butter. And then we're gonna fold it over to close them up. And there we go. Goes on the pan. When the snowballs come out, we'll put these in. They just take around 12 to 15 minutes, just until the biscuits are cooked through. Right here is going to be a good one to use to roll them in the powdered sugar. Daddy, what's happening? Not right before Christmas. You've got to be kidding me.
All through the house. No one was stirring, not even a mouse. Till the eye burned out and Mama screamed, "Daddy, what's happening? What's happening to me?"
Yo, Daddy, you gotta be kidding.
Yeah, no, it's gone.
This
That
eye,
thing's cooked its last cookie, Jack.
you gotta be kidding. The oven or the eye?
I think the oven is gone. Shut it down, I'll go buy you another.
Oh my goodness. I think it, is it just that top, is it just the broiler? That's just because that's just the broiler,
Yeah,
right?
I think just the broiler's gone.
So I just can't broil.
It looks like it.
Let me at least try to cook these hand pies.
Yeah. We're having a 4th of July show right here, everyone.
It keeps sparking.
Get stuff back.
It's the broiler. What happened? You reckon what happened up there?
It's almost like one of them little things you buy at
4th of July, and
yeah, it's just going around. We just want to take use
I wasn't
of
even
all the
using the
heat
broiler.
that we've... Oh, you wouldn't?
No, I'm not even using the broiler at all. Not at all.
Let me have an oven mitt. We'll
there.
just go to Lowe's.
But the problem is going to be a lot of times they're not going to have a white one in
They're not
stock.
going to have a white one. So I'm going to have to Raptor line it. Whatever color you want.
Update. So we thought it was just the broiler that burned out on that one side. So I was like, I'm just gonna go ahead and cook the chocolate tarts because when it finished burning out, it was done. But it's doing something weird, and I can cook these in here, that's fine, because even though the broiler burned out, it's broiling them. It's like cooking them from the top instead of the bottom. I don't even know what's going on, but these are beautiful. I mean, they are beautiful. It would just be very tricky to try to cook anything else in there. This thing's been on its last leg for a couple of years now anyway though, so at least we have these. I'm gonna try to cook this one last pan, and then I guess it's gonna be time to retire this old girl over here. I just hope we can get another one before Christmas. The problem is if they're in stock. If not, hopefully they can get one in before Christmas. Oh yeah, it's cooked through all the way. We just had to cook it from top, flip, we cooked it from the top. Cooked the top of it and then flipped it and cooked the other side. I mean, they still turned out okay, but yeah, it would be really tricky to try to cook anything else in there. These worked out good because when we roll the biscuits out so flat anyway, it doesn't take them long to bake because they're rolled out really flat. These snowballs are amazing. They're like chocolate chip cookie balls with pecans inside, powdered sugar. They're great.
Christmas is just around the corner, coming up just around the bend. Holiday couldn't be here sooner. Holiday for family and friends. And we've got pine tree, pine cone, evergreen, mistletoe, candy cane, Santa Claus, a gingerbread woman and a gingerbread man in a gingerbread house and all. Christmas is just around the corner, coming up just around the bend. Christmas is just around the corner, coming up right down the line. Chestnuts roasting on the burner. Everybody knows it's Christmas
Okay, we got the kitchen clean and I got the table all set up for the ornament decorating. Jacob and Titus are about to be slicing up the old tree for the ornaments.
Wood fireplace, sugar plum, jingle bells, and Santa's little helpers too. Christmas is just around the corner, coming up right down the line.
This kind is new kind of pink. You see that yellow part on that blue?
Mm-hmm.
That's new pink.
Oh, okay.
Mine is a secret.
Oh, okay, yours is a secret. Tyler and Jonah said theirs is a secret too.
And we've got pine tree, pine cone, evergreen, mistletoe, candy cane, Santa Claus.
Mine is a secret, Mama, so don't yuck. I'm done, Mama.
Manly's done. What was this one again?
It's the striped hotel with rain on it, dripping on it.
Wow. Daddy's finished with his.
I
Did you
know
see what
it.
it was? What is it?
Reindeer. Mama, what is that?
Santa.
Santa's way.
Uh-huh.
The woods.
Mm-hmm. Jake finished his. What's his?
A Christmas tree.
Look at Sissy's.
A snowman.
Snowman. It's a sparkly snowman.
And snow falling down.
That is beautiful. It's Jesus in the manger with the angel up there. Sheep over here?
Yeah.
Donkey?
Yeah.
Very good. Deer at night.
When everything is white, glimmering silver white, and stillness fills the night, it's Christmas. A winter wonderland, a snowball in each hand. Take me away, Christmas Day. There's joy in the air, family's near. We give thanks for this past year. Oh, nothing compares to the love that we share.